Did you know cows have four stomachs that help them digest tough plant fibers and extract nutrients?
For more education videos, please click the link below.
Did you know 99% beef production is useful, which is 65% goes toward meat production, and the other 34% goes toward byproducts like leather, gelatin, cosmetics, and medicines?
For more education videos, please subscribe.
Did you know cattle have panoramic vision and can see about 330 degrees around them? However, they don't have very good depth perception and they can't see the color red. Please subscribe and let's learn together. Did you know cattle have a great sense of smell and can detect odors up to 6 miles away? They're also equipped with about 25,000 taste buds. Humans have about 10,000. Please subscribe and let's learn together. Did you know Americans eat an average of 55 pounds of beef per person per year? It's the second most popular meat in America, after chicken. Estimates are based on data on food availability from the USDA. Please subscribe and let's learn together.
Did you know cattle are great swimmers and have successfully forded rivers?
Please subscribe and let's learn together.
Did you know the waste they deposit, we're talking about poop, can fertilize pastures and decrease soil erosion, helping to improve overall soil health?
Please subscribe and let's learn together.
Did you know cows have four stomachs that help them digest tough plant fibers and extract nutrients?
For more education videos, please click the link below.
Did you know duck eggs are an excellent source of B vitamins, such as riboflavin and B12? These B vitamins are important for growth and healthy hair, skin, nerves, and muscles.
For more education videos, please subscribe.
Did you know duck meat is an excellent source of iron, providing 50% of the iron we need in a day? Iron helps make healthy blood that flows through our bodies, giving us energy and making us grow. Healthy blood keeps us from getting tired.
For more education videos, please subscribe.
Did you know chickens have a special gland near their eyes that allows them to see the Earth's magnetic field and helps them navigate?
For more education videos, please click the link below.
Did you know pig heart valves can be used to replace damaged human heart valves?
For more education videos, please subscribe.
Did you know pigs roll in mud because they don't sweat, and that is their way of cooling off?
For more education videos, please subscribe.
Did you know pigs are very intelligent and can be trained to do tricks, just like dogs? Wow!
For more education videos, please subscribe.
Did you know sheep have a natural instinct to flock together for safety and social interaction?
Did you know goats are excellent climbers and can scale steep cliffs and trees with ease?
Did you know horses have very sensitive hearing and can pick up on sounds that are beyond human hearing range?
Did you know? Green and yellow beans are very healthy vegetables. They provide an excellent source of fiber, which keeps our bowels healthy, our blood sugar levels even, and helps prevent diseases such as cancer.
Please subscribe for more education video. Did you know? The colors of the eggshell does not affect its nutritional value. Although the color of chicken eggs can vary from white to brown, there is no nutritional difference between the two. Please subscribe for more education video.
Did you know? Potatoes provide carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are needed for energy to work and play and can be part of a healthy meal. The calories in a serving of potatoes are about the same as a slice or two of bread.
Please subscribe for more education video. Did you know? Onions are a fair source of vitamin C, which keeps our gums, teeth, and skin healthy. Onions are a fair source of B vitamins, like B6, which are important for growth and healthy skin, hair, nerves, and muscles. Please subscribe for more education video.